In this video, I'm going to show you how to deploy Strapi so you can have your headless CMS up and running. So in this case, we're going to use the Vercel as an example. So first of all, I'm going to explain each step so you can follow along because I couldn't access the Strapi due to restrictions here in this application or websites. So listen carefully as I explain each step. First of all, Strapi is a powerful open source CMS that lets you manage content and deliver it via APIs. And Vercel, on the other hand, is a great platform for front-end hosting, but when it comes to back-end services like Strapi, there are some things we need to keep in mind. So before we deploy, let's make sure our Strapi project is set up correctly. So if you haven't created one yet, you can open your command line and run a program to start creating a project in Strapi. And after that, since Vercel doesn't support persistent storage, we need to connect Strapi to cloud database like PostgreSQL or MySQL, services like Railway.app, Supabase, or PlanetScale work well. To configure this, you need to update your NV file. And then after that, set your Vercel project. You'll need to go to the Vercel dashboard and then click New Project and then connect your GitHub repository, and that contains your Strapi project. And then after that, configure deployment settings and install dependencies, run Strapi in production mode. And at this point, you might notice that Strapi won't work directly on Vercel because it's a backend application. So instead, we need to deploy it to a backend friendly cloud platform. And then since Vercel isn't designed for backend hostings, we need a different platform for Strapi. So you can use the Railway app, Render, and the DigitalOcean. So once Strapi is deployed there, we can connect it to the front-end app hosted on Vercel. So that's it. That's how you can deploy Strapi and Vercel, or rather connect it to a front end hosted on Vercel. So while Vercel isn't built for backend applications, you can still make Strapi work by hosting it on another platform and integrating it with your front end. So I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.